Yeah, what's up, guys? What's going on? Yeah, welcome. This is KingSFS once again. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a trade with you guys. Also, I'm on, I'm shorting this already. I'm selling this already, um, and I'm just targeting that low, that zone. So, for clarity purposes, I'll go back to my MT5. You can see I'm already on sale on this, and you see this is a live account, or you see up there. So now I'm still going to be entering more sell. So what I did is that I had how I trade or how I make my entry. I have these things called the risk entry and reduced risk entry. That's basically for my mentees. They know already what I mean by risk and reduced risk entry. So now, but basically I enter my trade based on what the price is giving me or what the price is saying, right? So if the price is giving me that uh confirmation, like giving me everything I need, right, I call it reduced risk entry. It doesn't mean that if you are taking a reduced risk entry you can't hit your stop loss. No, it's after taking the entry you can actually get your stop loss triggered. But now the difference is that risk entry, okay, if you are taking risk entry, your stop loss is going to be low, like you are not going to be risking high, but the tendency of hitting your stop loss is high, right? That's for risk entry. But reduced risk entry is when you have your setup, everything is in place, you have confirmed every entry, that is the entry signal, and you made entry. You have this the probability of the price hitting your stop loss is low. Okay, the price hitting your stop loss is low. So now where am I going to be making another entry? And that's the reason why I'm sharing this video, not about the reduced or risk entry or anything like that. Now you can see that we had some spike and the price is bullish again. Okay, that's why it's risk entry. Now if you look here, I'm going to be patiently waiting for the price to give me another entry. And what is the next entry? First, you might be asking, how do I even enter this trade? Now from here, you guys know what I do. Once I see a clear movement to the downside or to the upside, I start looking for opportunity to sell or buy. So now if you look here, we are having that downtrending vibe from here. Okay, so what I need to do is just to check the price action around this zone. So if you look closely, the price, this zone actually rejected this price the first time, rejected it again, and currently this zone is being rejected by this candle again. So if this candle should close as a doji, okay, and after closing as a doji, if I should observe any strong bearish candlestick from this zone, okay, if I see any bearish candlestick from this zone, which is going to be a bearish engulfing candlestick, that's where I'm going to be making my entry. So if I see this kind of candlestick at this zone, I will simply stack in more entry. So for me, that zone becomes a reduced risk entry zone, because I'm not just entering because of the price being at my resistance on my trend line, but I'm entering because the price is currently giving me a signal to make entry, right? So I'm going to be entering more positions at this point. If the price should close after this one, maybe if this candle should close as doji and I have this bearish engulfing candlestick at this zone, then I'm going to be making more, stacking in more entries at the zone. So that's exactly how I plan to take this trade. But the first entry I made is because the price is at my trend line and I'm having some wicks, okay, some rejections at that zone, okay. But you can see it's just good that everything is just playing out as you are seeing it. Why is reduced, why is risk entry, is that there is no much confirmation. You just enter the trade because you have your price at your zone. Okay, so now after I'm just watching, I'm still watching to see whatever the price is going to do. Maybe trigger my stop loss at my risk entry, or give me another entry which is reduced rate for me to make a better entry. So I will still bring back the outcome of this trade as the price plays out maybe positively or negatively, everything I'm going to be dropping it here. So what's up guys, as you can see I'm still holding the trade. Our entry is up here, that is somewhere. You can see my entry right here then, and my stop loss is down here already. I've locked in profit to this level. Then let me share with you how we analyze the trade. So here we actually made the analysis. I wanted to make another entry according to what I told you guys. Okay, if I go to 1 hour time frame, I've shared with you guys the second entry I was supposed to make, but the truth is I missed this entry. I could have made another entry, make another entry here after the closing of this bearish candle, as I told you guys that I'm waiting for a strong bearish candle like this so that I will make another entry. But I actually missed that entry because I was not on my charts after this particular bearish engulfing candlestick right there. So now I told you guys also I'm going to be taking profit right here. So the essence of creating this kind of content right here on YouTube is that you enjoy the life experience, whatever I'm doing, how I manage my trade, not just setup, but you guys understanding how I manage my trade. And also from there you can learn, because I told you guys it's so easy. It's more easier to analyze trade and place trade, but to manage trade is another thing that I think is very difficult, and a lot of traders are not actually focusing or paying attention to trade management. Okay, you can actually enter the same trade with me and close in loss while I close in profit. You can actually enter the same trade with me and you close halfway or close with little profit while I close with a lot of profits. So it's the same thing. So I wanted to close. I told you guys here that I will be targeting this low, which is this level. Okay, but what happened is that when the price is approaching my level right here, you can see the price is approaching impulsively with momentum candlestick. You can see the bearish power right here. So when I discover that bearish power, I have to remove my my TP, and I manage the trade with stop loss. What do I mean by managing the trade with stop loss? I keep adjusting my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss is at this level right now. So from where my stop loss here was above here, I have to drag the stop loss to my TP level, then remove my TP. That means I've already taken profit already. Okay, and I still have opportunity for the trade to go in my way, as in to run more or make me more money. So this is exactly another way to manage trade. So it's a win-win for me. If the price started to retrace back to this zone and hit my TP, I still close my TP at my TP. If the price started to go further to the downside, I make more money. I have advantage to make more money. Then why am I still even holding even till now? Then there's another thing you need to also see. The price actually pushed down with this momentum candlestick at this zone. Okay, but after that point, you can see the price decided to retest that zone. This is just like a break and retest at this point, and the price pushing down. You can equally say this is a break and retest at this point, the price push down. Any of them, but all the same, we get the concept. So that's basically one of the reasons why I'm holding the trade again. And another thing is because, which I've told you guys, I have locked in profits. I've already set my stop loss according to, you have already seen it already in my MetaTrader 5. So that's exactly one important thing about what I'm sharing here on YouTube. So for me, I see this as just decided to do free mentorship on YouTube so that people can actually enjoy this. Okay, the whole process, how I enter my trade and how I exit. So I'm still holding the trade, hoping that the price can actually push more to the downside. But whichever way the price started to go, I think I'm cool for the day. So that's that for this. Please like this video. Someone was kind of asking me, can you just go live and drop this kind of content live so that people who is watching live we take advantage of the entry and all that? Yeah, I think I plan doing that, but you guys are not showing that support. Okay, so if you want me to go live, it's very simple. Just give this video, once the video gets up to 500 likes, then I go live. It's simple. I cannot be you know what I go through to do this, to be transparent, to show you guys everything, and even teach you how to manage the trade, not just setup but also how to manage your entry. But at the end of the day, you see less, you see just few likes or 1 or 2%, 10, 20 likes on a video like this. No, it doesn't make sense, and it's not encouraging. So once I start seeing that vibe, once I start getting that that support from you guys, then I know, okay, you guys actually like the content. So how do I know that you like the content if you are not liking the videos? Someone said you don't need to beg someone to like your video if you know you are creating something of value. guys. There is no, in fact, I need to I don't know how to put it, but guys, these things I'm dropping here is of value. I don't need to, praise myself, but I know I'm doing a good work or a good job. But why I need to remind is that some people don't even see the need, or they actually like the video, they enjoy the video, but they forgot to like the video. Okay, that's the reason why you see many content creator, YouTuber, or anything, or mentor, that is tutor, asking people to like the video. It's not that they don't know that the video is of value, or they're trying to force people to like what they don't even enjoy. No, it's just to remind people, all right, to remind people to support. And another thing is that YouTube use these things, to promote videos. So once your videos is not getting that likes, YouTube algorithm is not likely going to be pushing the video more to people or other wider audience. Okay, because that's the simple way for of YouTube knowing that you are passing something of value, or you are actually impacting in people. When you drop this, when this kind of content is dropped on YouTube and you're having fewer likes, YouTube will just okay, it's just random video, that's all. And the video is not going to be getting to more audience. And every YouTuber, every content creator, or every tutor on YouTube wants his or her video to go viral, or to reach more wider audience. Okay, that's the reason why you're on YouTube. That's the reason why you want to impact in people's life. Okay, so I want you guys to like the video. So the summary of everything is like the video. Once you watch a video and you like it, you enjoy it, click that like button, share the video, leave a comment about how you feel on the video you have watched. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you will like this one. Okay, I hope this one gets up to 500 likes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.